Hello, we are gonna solve this problem. You know that unauthorized network card plug is in. This problem I will solve, and you see there is a system is halted. So let's solve it. If you want to solve this problem, you need a screw to open your computer. So first of all, I have to unplug my battery from here. Then I want to turn off this computer. Okay. After turn off this computer successfully, then you have to open your computer laptop. So we are using Lenovo T40 as this model. So how open your computer? Then you need to open the computer. So I want to open this screw. There is a two screw here. I already opened the screw, two screw here. So I want to put this cover out of sight. So there is a this problem actually occurs by when you WN LAN card is damaged, then you see that previous problem. So I want to if you want to solve this problem, then you have to unplug this LAN card. So how you can unplug this LAN card? Okay, and unplug. Okay, you have to unplug this cable, and there is a one screw, and you have to open the screw here. Okay, this is my screw, and this is the LAN card, and this LAN card already is damaged, so that's why I can't open my computer. So that's why I see that problem. So when you unplug this LAN card, then I hope that your problem will be solved within short time. So now I just want to unplug this one. If you don't have any new LAN card, then you can replace the LAN card later. So I don't have any LAN cards, but this plug will be covered with this any plastic. Okay, I just want to cover this because this can save for connecting to others parts. So that's why if you have any tap, then you can use this one. And I have another one, then I want to cover this one. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I already unplugged, and I already covered this for security reason. So then you can set this one anywhere. Okay, now I want to set this cable smooth perfectly. Okay, done. Then I want to cover this. So if you have another model or any brand like this, like HP, Lenovo, or any others computer or laptop, so if you see like this problem, LAN card problem, then you if there is any warning to unplug the damaged LAN card, then you can follow my instruction. Now we are going to open my laptop. So let's check it out. Okay, we see that problem is already solved. So if you have any problem like this, though, you can follow my instruction. So I hope that if you think that this tutorial is very helpful for you, or you can share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. We have already solved this problem. So I hope that if you have any if you face like this problem, then you can follow my instruction one by one. So there is no need to go to any servicing center, no need to go searching for another person. So I hope that this problem will be solved by yourself. So let's follow my instruction, and thank you so much. And please, if you want to get more updates, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.